The second chapter is called as the Tattva Gyan Prakaran, means here all things about this body, what are the tattvas, what are the elements are there, and how nadis are flowing, and what are the nadis names, and what are the nadis numbers, and which one is important, and which one is liked by the yogis, how the yogi will be know about that, means we, by concentrating on which nadi, yogi will get the siddhi. And here also Lord Shiva says that which one is liked by him and why, that is also mentioned here in the second chapter. Okay, and also he discuss about the Jataragni, the Veswanar. Here it is stated in Shiva Samhita. So Jataragni means the, according to the Ayurveda, that is Jataragni, but actually that is the digestive fire is mentioned, but named it is, here it is mentioned that that is called as the Veswanar. Okay, giving a one kind of higher place, so that is known as the Veswanar here. Okay, so let's. I'm just presenting my screen. Just confirm me whether it is visible or not.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Thank you, Saksiji. So this is all about, okay, this is your starting of your second chapter. This screen is okay for you because little bit we are changing immediately. It is okay or having problem?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Saikaji, it is okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am, it is okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay then. So here we have you remembered that in Siddha Siddhanta Pradhati we are discussing Yatha Brahmande Tatha Pinde, and means what is that is present in the outside, that is also present in the inside of our body. Okay, what is present inside, that is also present in the outside. Okay, so the same logic is here also applying in the second chapter. Okay, so the same thing, by starting that, Lord Shiva is telling here in this human body is Mount Meru. That is one Mount Meru with 7 island is there. Okay, and here there are the in Mount Meru means here it is talking about the spine. Okay, and with 7 island is there, that that it will be not mentioned what are the 7 islands is here, but after that he is discussing that here in this body are present the sages and the all planets, means here the Mount Meru is considered as the sage, the wise sage, and the islands are talking about this planets and the constellations, the whole so this whole body become the holy places. They are sacred places and the deities of all those places, means everywhere there is a holy place because whole body, so all these places the deities also present. What are the deities, that is not mentioned clearly. Okay, but you have to remember here Mount Meru and the 7 island, here it is considered as the sages and the all planets. Okay, and after discussing that, that means what is present in the outside, what are present in the world and the planets are present, constellations are present, in the same way the same things are present inside our body. Okay, the same logic is here also, according to means like in the Siddha Siddhanta Padati. And the moon and the sun and the doors of creation and the destruction, means here it is stated the moon and sun as the creator and destructor. Okay, and the all things are present in these two are mainly present in our body. Similarly, sky, air, fire, water, means the Pancha Tattva also exists. We also seen in the previous class, in the first chapter it is discussing. So in this body, all the things are present. So how it will be interrelated, and first it is talking about the moon. Okay, the 5 physical elements in the 3 worlds perform their respective functions everywhere by centering the spine in the body. So all the 5 physical elements, what are the elements are there, what are the panchatattvas are there, they are just performing in the 3 worlds. That is, what are the functions are doing, that is also they are these functions are going on inside our body by centering the spine through this spine. Body known as the Brahmanda, this body is considered as Brahmanda. Or yes,
Ma'am, I don't get it actually. What did you say?
which point? Which one?
The first point actually. The 5 elements.
Yes, okay. Means here, Latsiva is telling, because you are not acquainted with the Siddha Siddhanta Padhati, there a briefly description is given there in Siddha Siddhanta Padhati. The same concept are discussing here. Okay. The Pancha Tattva that we discuss in the first chapter, na? What are their points are there? In the same way, he is just continuing this. You're continuing the same, that 5 physical elements is present in the 3 world. Okay, so here 3 world is considering the ida, pingala and susumna, like this they are connecting that the panchatattva what is that is also present inside our body, and that is centering in the spine, this like in the spine, because the ida, pingala and the susumna that is present in our middle of your body, that left side, right side and middle, it will be associated in the same way. So here the same concept is going on, that all the 5 physical elements are present in the spine, and the 3 worlds also here it is consist. 3 worlds means here it is said that 3 mandal. Okay, what are the 3 mandal we discussed in the Vasishtha Samhita also? Are you able to remember what are the 3 things? 3 mandals?
Vahani Mandal, Som Mandal,
And
and
one more,
Agni Mandal.
Agni Mandal.
Agni mandal. Okay, so in that way it is telling, sorry, where is the, that 3 worlds. Now it is clear, Saikatji?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after that, he just considered that this whole body is the Brahman. Okay, where the all the constellation, planets, and places of the pilgrimage, that means the what we said in the means different journey places or the worshipping places are present in this our body. So they are taking the who will be know about these places. The normal human being cannot know about this, because he is already, he is in the illusion, he is in the avidya. So who will be known this body like the world? Only the yogi, who is the seeker of the knowledge. Here it is stated, who knows all this, who will be know, the yogi is a yogi. Who is a yogi? Who will be the following, or the seeker of the, seeker means the knowledge, who want to, who are already in the knowledge. That type of person, that type of sadhak will be know about this body. Means tattva gyan, that is called as the tattva gyan, means he know about what is present inside the body. What are the things are present inside the body? Now, what is present in the outside? That the all same thing are present inside our body. Okay. So here, the downward facing means. Then after discussing about this, Lord Shiva is telling about the moon and sun. What is the ida nadi and pingala nadi? Here it is stated that moon is present in the upper side of the that our spine. Okay, and so that which is and flowing towards the downward. Okay, amrit means the nectar will be flow through the moon here according to the Lord Shiva. Okay, and what we are seen in the different texts, that is flow through the your susumna or different nadis are mentioned, but here it is stated that ida nadi, through ida nadi the nectars will be flowing and towards the downward, and it is having 16 kalas. How many elements it have? It is 16 elements. But in the Siddha Siddhanta Padhati, it is mentioned how many elements and how many kalas? Yes, anyone?
Is it 18?
It is
मैम अभी याद नहीं है. Is it 18?
8. Now you are telling the correct one, na? 17. Then how it will be the 18? Okay, in Siddha Siddhanta Padhati, it is 17. And here, according to Shiv Samhita, it is 16. One will be less. Okay. And this all the kalas are seated here and also keep swearing the nectar day and night. Means they are just through this nadi, the nectars are in the form of rainfall. They are flowing through this nadi, and this is the place where amrita will be started flowing. Okay. And the ida, the same subtle nectar, gets divided into two and flows through the prescribed path. Okay, but here the little bit confusion in the English translating, which is this one, means nectars will be gets divided into two. It is not there in the mention there. Only through the okay, let's see the Hindi one.
Ma'am, I think in Hatha Yoga Pradipika also they tell, no? Some nectar goes for the nourishment of the body. That concept is there, ma'am.
Yes, 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 you are correct. Some will be good for the nourishment of the body, and some will be go to the that will be destroyed. Okay, through by placing it in the Surya Mandal. Okay, so for the nourishment of the body and the water in the form of Ganga, means like how the how water will be flow, Ganga water will be flow in the same way the nectar keeps flowing through the Ida mark or Ida path, or through the Ida it is flowing. The Suddha Rasmi means the clear the light will be transmit through this nadi. Means a lightning. Here it is talking about the brightness, lightning, and the pure light will be passes through this Ida nadi and stable in the left side and nourishes the entire body through the Ida path. Means whatever it is the two divide and nectars are given, that means the through the Ida nadi they are going for the two purpose. One is for the nourishment of the body, and one more it is go to the Surya Mandal, as we discussed in the other text. Okay. Then next is here it is stated that it is the in the form of water, how it will be flow in the Ida nadi, that is called as the milk nectar. Okay, that nectar, it is stated the giving a name that how the milk will be flow, and that in the same way this amrit will be in the form of milk nectar. It is flowing through the moon or the Ida nadi with the aura. Okay, like pure milk, subbond emerges from the Suddha Mandal. Sudha Mandal. Sudha Mandal means Som Mandal. It is talking about the Som Mandal. Means in your place of your head region. Okay, and it is continuously flowing through the susumna path in the spinal cord for the creation. Okay, again it is merged that this through Ida nadi it will be flowing, but when it will be the coming through the Sudha Mandal, and we are just what yogi will be done, they were just doing the sadhana, and he just preserve that nectar in the Sudha Mandal through Susumna. So here it is stated the same thing, that in the spine Susumna is there. Okay, and when one yogi will be aware about that, he just started preserving this nectar. Okay, but actual what is happening, the nectar will be always flow to the downward direction through the moon. Okay, so at the root of the spinal cord, here it in the it is in the above of the spinal cord, moon is present. But in the root, root means it is the down. In the root means the in the base of the spinal cord, the sun is present. Means the Pingala nadi is present in the below of the your spinal cord. Means where is the root? In the Muladhara chakra, that is the root. Okay. The sun consists of 12 kalas. How many kalas having sun? Here it is discussed, that is the 12. But according to the Siddha Siddhanta Padhati, how many kalas are there?
13.
13. Okay, here you need to remember in Siddha Siddhanta Padhati and in Shiva Samhita, only one is difference. In the moon it is 16, but in Siddha Siddhanta Padhati that is 17. In sun, for the sun it is here 12, but in Siddha Siddhanta Padhati it is 13. Okay, and sun it is named as the Prajapati. Here it also verses also mention that Prajapati, which is the flows upward direction. Okay, the moon is flowing downward direction, but sun is flowing upward direction to the southern path with its days. Given a path name, what is the southern path? Through southern path, it is going to upward direction. Okay. Definitely observes the nectar and metals emanating from the moon and travels throughout the body along with the atmosphere. Means the same things are discussing, that is how it will be flow through the moon and travels and throughout the body, it will be reaches to the all, how the nourishment will be there. Then this penetrating sun flows in the right path of the spine. In where it will be flow? In the right path of the spine. Here, according to the Lord Shiva, that the Ida, Pingala and Susumna, all the things are present in the spine only. What is the Meru? Okay. In the left side, it is the Ida is present, and in the right side, it is the of the spine, that is the sun is present, Pingala is present, and in the middle, that is the Susumna is present. Again, he is just giving more idea that in between the Susumna, one more nadi is also present. Okay, which one is the very favorite for the Lord Shiva? Okay, what is that nadi? We'll see in the next. And it,
Ma'am,
yes,
what is the Hindi name for that nectar and metals, ma'am? Metals क्या धातु है?
yes, yes. Okay, let's see. Dhatu. Yes, Amrut evan Dhatu. Okay. So this it is called the factor of creation and destruction. Means here the creator is the moon and the sun is the destroyer, as it is mentioned. The moon means Ida, who is creating this nectar, but the sun, the Pingala will be destroy that nectar because it will be flow towards the downward direction. So it will be preserved. All the nectars what is coming from that moon through and coming from the that som mandal, that through the moon, that will be destroyed by this sun, as according to the Lord Shiva. Okay. What is next? It is describe the nerve system of the body. Okay. So firstly, Lord Shiva is telling there are 14 nadis, main nadis are present in the body. What are the 14 nadis that is mentioned in this? And from this 14 nadis, other nadis are coming out. How many nadis then total in the body? That is mentioned that 3,50,000 nadis are present in the human body. Okay, so main nadis are 14, and the other whatever the nadis are coming out like the branches, that is the in 3,50,000 in number, and it is spreading towards the all over the body. Okay. So what are the 14 nadis are mainly? The first one, that is the susumna, Ida, Pingala, Gandhari. All of you note out, please. And the fifth one is Hastajiva, and sixth one is Kuhu, and seventh one is the Saraswati, eighth one is the Pus, and the ninth one is Sankhini, and 10th one is Payashini, and 11th one is the Baruni, and 12th one is Alambusa, and 13th one is the Viswadhari, okay, and the 14th one is the Yashashini. Okay, these are the 14 names of the nadis who are main nadis according to the Lord Shiva here. Okay, but after this 14 nadis, he given more importance to the 3 nadis as we seen in the every text. What are the more importance given nadis? That is the susumna, ida, and pingala. These 3 are given more importance. Okay, among this all nadis, this 14 nadis, pingala, ida, and susumna are prominent nadis are present inside our body. All of you noted it out? All the 14 nadis?
Yes, ma'am.
Please try to remember the names. It's very, very important. Then here it is given a new name to the susumna nadi, or new name, or we can say that that is known as the Yogaballabh. Yogaballabh means yogis are like this nadi very much. Why? They are liking this nadi very much. Which nadi? The susumna nadi. Why they like? Because through this nadi only they will get the siddhi, so that it will be very renounced one or very popular one among the yogis. So that it is stated as the Yogi Ballabha. Okay, among the 3, susumna nadi is the only important one. This is the favorite nadi of yogis, are called the Yogaballabh. All other nadis remain situated, means also present in the bodies, taking shelter of it. Those nadis like downward facing lotus threads in the form of moon, sun, and fire are located taking support of the spine. Hence, all the nadis are taking support of the spine mainly, and all the nadis are coming out from this. They are giving more importance on the spine. That spine is called as the meru, okay, which is important according also. Then again he is talking that Chitra nadi, which is the, we seen in this 14 nadis are there. They among these 14 nadis, 3 are west or prominent one. After these 3 nadis, one more nadi he is discussing, that is the Chitra nadi. Okay, where is the placement of the Chitra nadi? That is the in between the inside the susumna nadi. Okay, how the, have you seen the pencil? How the pencil is, if pencil is a susumna, in between the pencil there is one more is present. What is that inside the pencil?
Lead, ma'am, lead, which we write.
Graphite.
Graphite, yes, through which we are writing. In the same way, in the, if pencil is a susumna and graphite is the, here is called as the Chitra nadi. So here it is given in this image that Ira and Pingala is present in the left and right. In the middle, it is the susumna nadi. Okay, and between the susumna nadi, here it is stated that Vajra nadi. Then Chitrini nadi, but means Chitra nadi. Then Brahma nadi, it is inside the Chitra nadi. Okay, but I think these things are not mentioned in the verses. Only it is mentioned
Ma'am,
about the
can you
Chitra.
repeat that? We will write down, we'll note it down, ma'am. Can you repeat?
Yes, yes, yes. I am repeating. Just 1 second. Yes, means in the spine. First, just they are. He is giving giving a target to the spine. In the spine, left side is Ida, right side is the Pingala. In the middle, what is present? That is the susumna. Okay, and inside the susumna, that is present one nadi, which is called as the Brahma nadi. That is your Chitra nadi. Okay. Now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that
No, ma'am, you said no that inside susumna there will be
yes,
Vajra inside
yes,
Vajra,
but
not
according to
ordinary.
the lords in Shiva Samhita, they are not mentioning these names, but maybe for the for knowledging purpose it is given. You may write down in the susumna, that is the Vajra nadi. Okay, inside the susumna, that is Vajra nadi here. Then inside the Vajra nadi, that is the Chitra nadi is there. Okay, and inside the Chitra nadi, there Brahma nadi is there, according to this image.
So
Okay, but
according to Shiva Samhita, Sushumna inside Brahman Nadi is there, ma'am, directly.
inside the Susumna nadi, Chitra nadi is there. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
according to the Shiv Samhita, there is inside the Susumna, your Chitra nadi is there, which is favorite for uh, which is favorite one of the Lord Shiva.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it is like multi-core wire, like
Yes,
uh,
yes, yes. Very good example. Multi-core. Where? Yes.
okay,
Continue.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Like that one only. Multi-core. Have you seen the how the network connection is doing? Different wires are there. One outer layer is there. Then inside another layer is there. Then inside that the copper and the aluminum wire is there through which it is connected. Okay, so we are discussing only that yogi is only activate the susumna, but inside the susumna there is different nadis are present through which it will be the siddhis will be created. So it is very subtle one. Okay, we are inside the body different means that is very means sukma se sukma tak. If we say that is very subtle one through which this siddhi is accumulated, or this what we say, the liberation, one person is getting that liberation at that stage whenever he activate this all nadis. Okay, now it is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So here Lord Shiva is again discussing that this Chitra Nadi consisting of 5 varnas, it is bright and purifying, and the one who is moves in the middle of the Susumna. Okay. And the result, what will be? It will be given the result. The yogi measures sins and are eliminated. Means what are the sins are there? They are accumulating in the uh, life. That sins will be here destroyed through this only this nadi. What is that nadi? That nadi is Chitra nadi. Okay. So all of you please note it out. Just give me 1 minute. Yes. Anyone having any doubt regarding this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So next we'll move. So here it is a previous year question that according to the Shiva Samhita, which one is the which nadi will be uh, what it is written. I'm not able to understand. Okay, I will see the Hindi one. Okay, Upadhi Rupa means given a higher seat to which nadi? शिव
Chit-
संहिता के अनुसार किस नाड़ी को शरीर की उपाधि रूपा
Chitra.
कहा जाता है? यस, I
Chitra.
think this one you are telling.
No, ma'am. Just
Answer
now
is
you
given.
taught.
Yes, we are discussing now. That one is the Chitra nadi. Okay. Maybe for confusing basics, here we are because susumna is there. Mostly, many students will be do here the mistake. They are just tick out the susumna, but here remember in Shiv Samhita only it is mentioned the Chitra nadi. Okay, which is present inside the susumna.
Ma'am, can you explain this Upadhi Rupa word again?
Upadhi Rupa means which is the means it is in the highest stage they are giving to this nadi. Okay.
Okay, so because it is between the Sushumna, that's why it
Yes,
is
it will be
Upadhi
the
Rupa
and
in the.
yes because according to the Lord Shiva he is telling that because of this only this nadi only one will be able to achieve that liberation state. Okay, so that he is said here the name is Upadhi Rupa. Okay. Okay, what is discussed in next? That is the Kundalini place. It is discussed. What we are mentioned in the Shiv Samhita, the same things are mentioned here also. Sorry, in the what we complete now, Vasishtha Samhita. The same things are mentioned also here. The two fingers above the anus and two fingers below the medra means the linga, and the base is Muladhara Chakra, it is situated. Okay, which one is present? That is the Kundalini. But in the Vasishtha Samhita we seen, Vasishtha is telling that it is present in the navel region. But here, mostly texts are telling that it is present in the Muladhara Chakra, but only we are seeing that a different thing is mentioned, that is the in the navel region according to the Vasishtha. So there is a very beautiful, as we discussed that it is a triangular shape and the square shape and in the round shape according to the animal, it is in different shape. In the birds, we seen in the different shape. But here in the human being cases or the we seen it is in a triangular form and it is shaped like the vagina in the ear of that base lotus, which is said to be secret. Okay, this knowledge, whatever
I
we are
think we should
talking
see
about.
the Hindi version, ma'am. Ma'am, यहाँ पर I think we should see the Hindi version.
Okay, here clear with the Hindi or not here, who are present in the class?
I think we should read. Yeah, if you read once, it will be better, ma'am.
Okay, Guda Pradesh, here it is Guda. Okay, Guda आकार is missing here. गुदा प्रदेश से 2 अंगुल ऊपर तथा भेद्र से 2 अंगुल नीचे. भेद्र means here it is talking about the linga. अंगुल नीचे 4 अंगुल विस्तार means this is spreading 4 finger and समरूप में स्थित आधार अर्थात मूलाधार चक्र है. Okay. So how it will be the spreading where it is present in the Muladhara Chakra, it is present. And उस आधार कमल की कर्णिका में अति सुंदर त्रिकोण के अनुकार means that Muladhara Chakra, as we know in the every chakras, that is the formation of the lotus is there. Okay. Here,
Yes, ma'am.
Lord Shiva is telling that inside this Adhar Kamal, that which shape it is present, it is in a triangular form. So, means, yes,
I think you're talking about the petals, right?
yes, petals, lotus petals. So here, according to this this line, that in the what he is telling that us Adhar Kamal means the lotus which is present in the Muladhara Chakra. Inside that जैसे कर्णिका में अति सुंदर त्रिकोण के आकार वाली योनि है जो समस्त तंत्रों में गुप्त अर्थात पूर्णतया गोपनीय बताई गई है. Okay, so it will be a very secret thing which is present in this lotus form, in this lotus, and it will be in the which form? That is a triangular form. And what is their shape? It is a like a yoni shape. Okay, and it is the secret one of the all tantras which is present, tantra knowledge, and it is kept very, very secret. This line is clear?
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
वही विद्युल्लता के आकार वाली 3.5 लपेटे लगाए हुए कुटिल मीन्स टेरी आकार वाली परम देवता स्वरूप कुंडलिनी सुषुम्ना के मार्ग में अवस्थित है. Means ये means what that this kundalini, what is where it is present in the Muladhara chakra. Okay, and what is its coil shaping? We said that how much coiled it is? It is 3.5. It is having 3.5 kundalini, the supreme deity, in the form of crooked shape. Crooked means it is the spine. Have you seen the spiral binding? How the spirals are shaping in the rotating? The same way, the kundalini having rotate shape in their spiral shape. What is the measurement of that? Here it is mentioned 3.5 wraps in the shape of lightning is situated in the path of susumna. Okay, in the susumna it is present. That kundalini is the cause of entire world, always engaged in creation in the indescribable level. Bhagdevi through speech, he is constantly loved by gods. Okay, little bit we will see. वो कुंडलिनी संपूर्ण जगत की कारण रूपा निर्माण में सदा संलग्न वाणी द्वारा अवर्णनीय वाग्देवों के द्वारा सतत प्रणम्य है. Means that kundalini, what is the position it is stated, what is the how many rap it is stated, why, and it is the position is also secret. So this kundalini is the creation of all the world is created by this kundalini only, and it is cannot be stated by the in the speech by the Bhagdevi. Bhagdevi is the who is good in the in speech, so that he is just giving an example that it cannot be explained, cannot be said by the Bhagdevi. Okay, and it will be every time they are giving what we say importance
Ma'am,
to this.
does it mean that even Vagdevi doesn't have words to describe Kundalini?
Yes, does not have that words, any words to describe the Kundalini. Yes. Okay, this slide is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Why sadly you are telling? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Maybe
Yes.
because of my throat.
What
Too much
about
pain.
Saika ji? Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The same thing is it is also mentioned here. The nadi named is Ida, which is located in the left part, as wrapped around the susumna nadi and is the left nostril. Okay, little bit we will see the Hindi version. इड़ा नाम की नाड़ी जो कि वाम भाग में स्थित है वो सुषुम्ना नाड़ी से लिपट कर बाएं नासापुट तक गई है. Okay, the same thing. Means the nadi which is present in the ida, means the named as ida, that is present in the left side. As we know, they are just moving in a spiral way, and the pingala will be in the right side of the body or of the susumna also. The same thing is discussing here. Ida is present in the left part of the body, and it will be wrapped around the susumna, and it will be reached the left nostril. And the Pingala is, which is situated in the right path, it also wrapped over the susumna and reaches the right nostril. What is susumna? Yes, the same meaning. The nadi which is situated between Ida and Pingala is definitely called the susumna. Okay, as it is known by the yogis. Okay, this knowledge is also getting through only the yogis, because normal human being cannot know about this knowledge, because they are again and again they are doing the involve themselves in the actions because of the avidya. But who is yogi, who is doing the niskama karma and try to collect the knowledge, so that only the yogi will know about this, all the knowledge, all the topics. Okay, then what is next? The susumna has 5 places and many names. Okay, let's follow a little bit to this one. सुषुम्ना के 5 स्थान है और बहुत से नाम है, means the yes, 5 place and that is having many names. According to the use, it is according to the use, it will be known by different shastras and granthas. Okay, प्रयोजन के अनुसार उन्हें यहाँ ग्रंथों के आधार पर जान लेना चाहिए. How according to the use, you have to know about that susumna. तो अन्य दूसरी नाड़ियां भी मूलाधार से उत्पन्न हुई है, मीन्स all others, whatever the other nadis are there, that also created from this मूलाधार, because all those kundalini is there, na? So all the nadis are formed from this Muladhara chakra. The jiva means the tongue, okay, and penis, eyes, both the legs, ears, armpits, thumb, anus, and stomach, all end in these organs. Okay, this all nadi, the all organs are, all organs are aimed in this place. Okay, इस प्रकार से ये सभी नाड़ियां मूलाधार से उत्पन्न होकर अपने अपने गंतव्य को प्राप्त होकर निर्भूत हो जाती हैं. Okay, like this way, all the nadis are coming from this and originate from the Muladhara, and after reaching their respective destination, they are separated. Okay, so 3.5 means the 3,50,000 nadis have arisen and arranged themselves in their respective places from these nadis, and their branches and sub branches also respectively. Means from this place it will be comes created, and also it is created, then again they are doing whatever the works they have to perform in the whole body. Okay, but this 3,50,000 nadis are created from this Muladhara chakra, and their branches and sub branches also they are just spreading out to the whole body, and they are doing their whatever works are performed. Okay, next it is talking about the Jataragni, which is the veswanar. Basti Pradesh. Basti Pradesh, here it is given one name to the Meru Mul. Meru Muls means in the root of the spine, they are given a new name. Lord Shiva is giving a new name that is called as the Basti Pradesh. Means where is the starting point, one place where it is will be the starting point, that is called as the Basti Pradesh, where it is present in the root of the spine. Yes.
Okay. Root of the spine.
Yes, root of the spine. Yes.
Okay.
द बस्ती प्रदेश में सूर्यमंडल के मध्य में स्थित 12 कला से युक्त अन्न की पाचने वाली प्रज्वलित अग्नि विद्यमान है. मीन्स व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड दिस सूर्यमंडल. Means here it is stated giving a location. Where it is the location? In the root of the spine. Surya Mandal ke madhya, means there is a Surya Mandal is present. So here we can considering that the region from the Muladhara to navel region. This whole region are stated as the Surya Mandal. Okay. But Basti Pradesh में Surya Mandal के मध्य, in the middle of the Surya Mandal, what is present? 12 kala. What 12 kalas are there? That अन्न की पचाने वाले प्रज्वलित अग्नि, that digestive fire, or the who will be helpful to digest the food, that having 12 kalas, 12 qualities. Okay, 12 kalas they having, and that digestive fire is present where? In the middle of the Surya Mandal. And that Surya Mandal where it is present, that is the root of the spine. In the root of the spine it is present. Okay. मेरे तेज के अंश से उत्पन्न हुई, means this is a part of the what are the fire is present inside the Lord Shiva. That is a one part of from the Lord Shiva's body, which is present inside the human being body also. So यह वेस्वानर नाम की अग्नि प्राणियों के शरीर में स्थित होकर विविध प्रकार का पाक कर्म करती है. Okay, that fire is the one part of my body. Whatever the tej means the fire what is present inside my body. Here it is according to my body means Lord Shiva's body, and that is the one part which is named as the veswanar. Okay, note it out. The name is veswanar. Yes, this one. In the form of veswanar, which is the how it will be helpful for our body, because it will be digest our food. Okay, and all the digestion process, all whatever we are eating and taking the food, that will be processed by only this veswanar agni. Means this digestive fire only helpful to create for the digestion. Okay. रोगों की उत्पत्ति को नष्ट करने वाली वो वैश्वानर रूप अग्नि आयु को देने वाली है. मीन्स इट विल बी when your digestive system will be good, so automatically all the process will be going on inside your body. Blood circulation also goes on in a good direction or good in the body, so that it will be remove all the diseases. So in that way it is said here, so it will be the removal of all disease. Okay, whatever the diseases are present, that because of this Veswanar Agni, because of this digestive fire, it will be destroy all the diseases, and it will be improve your age limit. It will be आयु को देने वाली. आयु means it will be increase your what is age limit. If you having less, then it will be increase. Yes. What is the exact word? Anyone having?
Long life, nothing else.
Means it will be increase your age limit. We can say that in that way.
Longevity, ma'am. Longevity. Purnayu.
Yes. Purnayu, or you will alive more. आयु को देने वाली है तथा बल पोषण एवं शारीरिक स्फूर्ति को भी प्रदान करती है. मीन्स इट विल बी गिव यू द एनर्जी inside your body, and how much you are active because of that. That is the reason behind it. What is the reason? Because your Veswanar Agni will be good, and that is the main reason through which you are feeling very activeness, and it will be give you the nourishment to your body, and it will be make strong to your body. Okay. इसीलिए विद्वान योग साधक वैश्वानर नामक अग्नि को विधि पूर्वक प्रज्वलित करें और उसमें गुरु से प्राप्त निर्देश के अनुसार प्रतिदिन अन्न की आहुति दें. Okay, So because this veswanar agni is very important for this body, so whatever the wise men are there, or yogi sadhak is there, they should, what they should do, they should do it, improve their veswanar agni, and according to the guru's advice, they should do daily practice to improve their digestive system. Okay, and take as a food in that way, we can say. So always try to do the practice of the improvement for the your digestive fire. So how it will be improved, that is not mentioned here, but only said that different practice you should do according to the guru's instruction in a daily basis. Okay. How much slide? Only 2 slides are more. Can we complete this one? Yes. संसार में जो जो दिखाई देता है वो सब कर्मानुसार ही उत्पन्न होता है. सभी प्राणी कर्मों के आधार पर ही निश्चित रूप से फलों को भोगते हैं. Means whatever we seen in this world, that should be that is created according to our actions. Okay, all the human beings, whatever they are doing the action, according to that manner they will get some fruits, whether it is bad or it is good. Okay, in that way we already discussed in the first chapter. तो वो भी उससे अलग नहीं हो सकता और न अन्य कुछ भी उस वहाँ से भिन्न है. Here it is stated that whatever the duality of the mind that we are considering, that supreme self is different from this self. Okay, so whatever this duality of the mind is there, whenever you will do some practice. Okay, let's continue this one. सभी वस्तुओं माया से आच्छादित चैतन्य से ही उत्पन्न होता है तथा उपयुक्त समय पर भोग हेतु जीवों के विविध जन्म होते हैं. Okay, because he is considering this oneself is different from this supreme self, and according to that manner he is doing different type of activities. Activities means here different doing different actions or karmas. According to that he will be get some fruits. So what will be the fruits? We seen that if you are doing the good fruits, then obviously you will get that heaven. But after enjoying that good fruits, then again you have to come back in a birth. So birth and death takes place, and you will be you are just revolving in that cycle. Okay. तो जिस प्रकार दोष के कारण सिप में चांदी का आरोप कर लिया जाता है, उसी प्रकार निश्चित रूप से अपने ही कर्म दोष के कारण ब्रह्म में जगत का आरोप कर लिया जाता है. Means what are the illusion we seen, that how the person is thinking that a conch shell or the pearl shell is looks like a silver, that is the illusion. In the same way, whatever the actions they are performing, because of that or because of that illusion, they are just taking himself that he is separate from that Brahma. Okay. वासनाओं से उत्पन्न भ्रम को दूर करने वाला ज्ञान अत्यंत दुर्लभ है. यदि ऐसा ज्ञान उत्पन्न हो जाए तो मुक्ति का साधन होता है. Okay, so how this whatever the illusions are coming, why this illusion is coming? Because of the avidya. Whenever you destroy the avidya, how you will be destroy this avidya? When you got the true knowledge. So how you will be get the true knowledge? Because when you are following the guru's instruction. Okay, so all the things are linked to each other. Whenever you are following the practices on the guru's instruction, then whatever the dualities of the mind will be there, that will be destroyed and the avidya will be removed, and you will get that true knowledge. And that knowledge will be the giving you that moksha state. Okay. This slide is clear to all of you? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show the English version once more? We'll take a picture 1 second.
All the slides are already shared, I think, in the drive, or it is not. Okay.
No,
I didn't check.
No. It is not
अभी
shared.
अभी तक तो नहीं थी, अभी हो गई हो 1-2 घंटे पे तो पता नहीं, लेट मी चेक.
Okay. Okay, next is different vision in the reason behind the illusion or of the visible world. Social vision, on-based vision is the reason of knowledge. Okay, let's see. दृश्यमान
done.
जगत के, yes.
It's done, it's uploaded.
Okay, so all of you go through the slides. Book is also there. You can check the book. I mean, I shared a book, English version book. You can go through it. तो दृश्यमान जगत के भ्रम में सामान्य दृष्टि अर्थात भेद दृष्टि ही कारण है, विशेष दृष्टि अर्थात अवैध दृष्टि ही ज्ञान का कारण है. Okay, ved drushti, here it is given two types of way of seeing the things. One is ved drushti, another one is the aved drushti. Okay, ved drushti means through which you are just overlapped with the avidya, through which you are different, because of that ignorance, a different illusion will be created. But whenever you develop that special this aved drushti is said here, the special things. When you are developing your special vision, then you will know that true knowledge. Okay. So योग का अभ्यास यदि संसार सागर को पार करने की इच्छा करता है तो उसे फल की आसक्ति को छोड़कर वर्णाश्रम के कर्तव्यों का पालन करना चाहिए. मीन्स वॉट एवर इन द चैप्टर 1 इट इज सेड, इन द सेम थिंग इट इज सेड हियर. So you have to, extra thing it is added here, you have to practice the yogic techniques and you have to do the renounced walks without thinking about the fruits, and do whatever the actions is followed by the varnasam, means vanaprastha ashram, what is followed. In the same way you have to follow all the actions of the vanaprastha and without thinking about the fruits of actions. Then only you will get that knowledge and you will be able to get that renounced state or that liberation, or you got the moksha.
Ma'am, Varnashram means the whole 4 ashramas, right?
Yes, varnasam, vanaprastha, third one. Because first one is brahmacharya, second is grahastha, third one is vanaprastha, and fourth one is sannyasa. So here it is prescribed that you have to follow the vanaprastha. Clear?
Yeah.
The second chapter is end here. So all of you clear? Little bit you just take a view, otherwise you forgot about whatever we are discussing. Just try to go through the slides and try to understand more. If slides are purely means according to the discussion it is there, then it will be no problem. You will be remember in by seeing that slide, because we are following the both language. So please all of you note out whenever whatever we are discussing, note out in your copy. If it is speed, then please inform me, then we will do in a little slow way. But I think there is no, we are little speed or what? Huh?
No, I saw.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What about others? Sagar ji?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So try to complete the chapter 2. First, try to read out the book. Okay, second page, second chapter. Then try to understand the slides. Then it will be easy to because we are discussing. You will you hear the about the second chapter, and first read out the things what is discussed in the book. Then try to note out from the slides after that. Then it will be more easy to understand. By the way, that is your choice, how it is, in which way it is good for you. Then you just follow that one. Okay. Yes. Okay, then. Saikaji, can you do the prayer? Let's,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, do the Santi part.
Om